Whether you love thock, crave clack, or need something silent for the office grind, we've got you covered. These are the best tactile switches of 2025. Let's dive right in. Starting strong with the Durock Ice King, our pick for the best thocky tactile switch so far this year. It has a 58 gram actuation, 68 gram bottom out, 3.5mm total travel, and comes factory lube. This one feels silky smooth with almost no scratchiness. Tolerances are very tight, providing a clean, precise typing experience. The switch produces a low-pitched, deep thock sound profile that is slightly subdued in volume. It's soft on the ears, but incredibly satisfying. Here's what the Ice King sounds like. Next up, for fans of bright, clacky sound, the Haimu Rock takes our spot for the clackiest tactile switch of 2025. It has a full palm housing and an LY stem and comes in two bottom mount force options, 55 grams and 63 grams. It has a large tactile bump with a metal insert on the bottom of the stem pole and bottom housing for high-pitched, clacky sound. It also comes with a removable light diffuser for better RGB distribution. Here's what the Haimu Rock sounds like. Now let's talk creamy. The Gateron Greyish brings smooth tactility and a rich, mellow sound to your fingertips. It has a 42 gram operating force and is made with a PC top, nylon bottom, and palm stem. It has 2mm pre-travel and 3.5mm total travel. This switch gives you a moderate tactile bump near the top. Think a lowercase p shaped tactile bump with a soft bottom out. Excellent for all-day comfort. Expect a creamy, mid to high-pitched bottom out and a crisp top out. At only 25 cents per switch, it is totally underrated. Check out the creamy sound of the Gateron Greyish. By the way, if you're interested in any of the switches featured in today's video, you can find them all at our store at LumeKeebs.com. We offer a variety of switches, keyboards, keycaps, and accessories to level up your setup. Looking for a switch with that pop? The MMD Princess V4 Tactile is snappy, responsive, and satisfying in both feel and sound. It is made with a PC top and bottom and an LY stem. With options, choose between 48 grams and 60 gram bottom out force. The bump is bold, like a big, round uppercase P, and the tactile feedback is crisp and immediate. It's comparable to the Boba U4T, but with even more response thanks to the short travel. This switch has a poppy, clacky top out with a louder, more energetic sound profile than most tactiles. Great for builders who want bold feedback in every keystroke. Here's how they sound. Finally, for the stealth typists out there, our favorite silent tactile of the year is TTC Bluish White Silent. It is made with a PC top, PA66 bottom, and a palm stem. It has a 2mm pre-travel, 3.5mm total travel. It's smooth with a rounded bump that isn't too aggressive, great for long office sessions. The switch has very little stem wobble due to tight housing tolerances and a dust-proof stem. The switch is very quiet due to the way it's designed. It has a dampening pad and silicone ring around the stem that enables a silencing mechanism. With the internal dampening, this one is whisper quiet, making it a great choice for late night typing or office use. Let's hear how quiet the TTC Bluish White really is. That wraps up our list of the top tactile switches of 2025. Whether you love a deep thock, sharp clack, a creamy glide, a poppy snap, or total silence, there's something here for everyone. Which of these is your favorite tactile switch? Let us know in the comments, or tell us what switch you think deserves to be on this list.